Next is holding. If food is not going to be served or cooled immediately, it must be kept hot at 63 degrees Celsius or hotter. This temperature will prevent the growth of bacteria. This is typically done in ovens, steam tables, holding pots or chafing pans. While holding, check the temperature of the food regularly with a probe thermometer. Do not use the dial setting on holding pots to measure temperature. Use a probe thermometer. Use equipment designed for proper hot holding temperatures. Stir food to distribute heat. Keep food covered. Never use holding equipment to reheat or cook food unless it is designed to do so. Next is cooling. If a cooked food product is not going to be immediately served or processed further, it must be cooled down as quickly as possible. This means that it must pass through the danger zone again. It is during this time that any bacteria which were not killed during cooking or were reintroduced after cooking will have the opportunity to grow. Place large pots of soup, gravy, etc. in a sink of ice water and stir every 15 to 30 minutes. Transfer food from large containers to shallow pans. Food depth 5 centimeters, that is 2 inches or less, to allow for faster cooling. Ensure that refrigerators are in proper working order and do not overload refrigerators. Leave space around foods to allow air to be circulated. Do not line fridge shelves with cardboard or foil, as this cuts down air circulation. Next is reheating. The regulation states that all hazardous food items must be reheated to its original cooking temperature within few hours. To be safer, reheat all hazardous food to 75 degrees Celsius, that is 165 degrees Fahrenheit, as quickly as possible. This will be more effective in killing bacteria and preventing their growth. Use proper equipment to reheat. Equipment that reheats the food quickly and to a sufficiently high temperature. Always check the temperature with a probe thermometer. While reheating, the chances are all bacteria may not have been killed during the initial cooking. The food may not have been cooled quickly enough, or stored at a sufficiently low temperature, and bacteria may have grown. Some bacteria may have been reintroduced during storage. Next is serving. Whether the customers are served by servers or they serve themselves, steps must be taken to ensure that the food is not contaminated or temperature abused. Serving staff should not touch the business end of knives, forks, and spoons. Handle cups and glasses by the bottoms or handles, not by rims. Use gloves, tongs, or utensils to serve food. Self-service or buffet Provide adequate spoons or tongs to reduce